The Lockheed Martin Falcon program's Hypersonic Cruise Vehicle, the unmanned scramjet-powered aircraft capable to fly between Mach 6 to 8 that never was. Lockheed Martin Falcon program's Hypersonic Cruise Vehicle begun in 2003, the joint DARPA/Air Force application and launch from CONUS, Falcon, program was meant to develop global range prompt strike capabilities with both nuclear and non-nuclear warheads, using systems less expensive than expendable ICBMs, as told by Scott Lowther. In his book US Supersonic Bomber Projects 2, Falcon was split into two main subprograms: the Small Launch Vehicle, SLV, aimed at developing low-cost orbital space launch systems for small payloads, and the Hypersonic Weapons System, HWS, which would develop global-range maneuverable strike systems. The HWS effort was itself split into two areas: the CAV, Common Aero Vehicle, a maneuverable glider which could be loaded with a wide variety of nuclear or conventional warheads up to 1,000 pounds, and the HWS itself. This would be a large air-breathing hypersonic aircraft capable of carrying a number of CAVs and other weapons, able to strike targets 9,000 nautical miles from a launch site in the continental US, CONUS, within 2 hours of launch. 3 contractors received Phase 1 study contracts for the HWS in 2003. Lockheed Martin, Andrews Space Incorporated, and Northrop Grumman. In 2004, Lockheed Martin won the Phase 2 round. The Lockheed Martin Hypersonic Cruise Vehicle, as revealed publicly, was an unmanned scramjet-powered aircraft, capable of prompt aircraft-like operations and global range. Details on it are scant, with dimensions being determined solely from a crude scale comparison with the B-52. Inward turning inlets fed the propulsion system. A turbojet to about Mach 3, a scramjet to above Mach 6. A weapons bay was illustrated along the vehicle centerline, with artwork showing the vehicle launching CAV warheads identical in configuration to the HTV-2. Hypersonic Technology Vehicle 2 was an experimental hypersonic glide vehicle developed as part of the DARPA Falcon project designed to fly in the Mach 20 range. A patent on the inward turning inlets provide good configuration diagrams. All leading edges were sharp, greatly reducing supersonic drag but requiring advanced materials. The Waverider configured craft would be optimized to fly at one altitude and velocity, somewhere in the vicinity of Mach 6 to 8, at that design point, performance would be adequate for global range.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.